Welcome back. India and Dempo Sports Club midfielder Clifford Miranda has advised youngsters to work hard and make a career in football. One of the best footballers in recent times, Clifford was presented with the Dilip Sardesai Sports Excellence Award on Thursday on the occasion of National Sports Day.
Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza, Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar, late Dilip Sardesai's wife, Professor Nandini Sardesai, Director of Sports V.M. Prabhudesai together presented the Dilip Sardesai Award to Clifford Miranda. An attacking midfielder, Clifford has been playing for Dempo since last 14 years and representing India from 2005. Prabhudesai hailed the consistency of Clifford.
It is proved now by Clifford that if you are consistent with your performance, if you are consistent with your training, with your hard work, it can really deliver goods for you.
Clifford urged the youngsters to work hard in training and make a career in football.
Just say something that I will request most of the guys, say footballers, most of the boys to take up football, as it's a very short profession, it's a very short career, but it's an exciting one and it's worth living for and playing for.
Nandini Sardesai stressed on the importance of dedication, devotion and discipline.
As Dilip used to say, it was the 3 Ds that were important: determination, discipline and dedication. That is what sports is all about. And I'm sure, as just Clifford has said, he exemplifies these values.
Francis D'Souza emphasized on discipline as this quality is missing from most of the young sportspersons in the state.
And boro player जावपा जाव हांगसर खूब भुरगे येयल्ले हमना एकदा बरो प्लेयर बेश्टो जायना ताका सॅक्रिफायस खूब आहा तेन सोरो सोडचो पडटा लेट नायट सोडचे पडटात मस्ती सोडची पडटा हे एक सोडपाक जाय आनी तुवें विचार करपा जावो की आपूण क्लिफर्डा सारको जातलो जावं आनी आमचे गोंयान बरे फुटबॉलर जाले ब्राह्मणन सांकवालकर आहलो एक आनी हांव सदांच ब्राह्मणन सांकवालकरचें उदाहरण दिता डिसिप्लिन.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Deven Gaonkar from Panji.
Hati Goda Palki Jai Kannaya Lal Ki. All the Kanhas broke the Handis all over the state. Gokulastam was celebrated in the state on Thursday. The traditions of breaking the Handis is gaining momentum in today's time with number of sponsorships and prize money touching to figure of almost 50,000 rupees.
गोविंदारे गोपाळा यशोदेच्या तान्या बाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा
आला रे आला गोविंदा आला गवळ्याच्या बोरीनं जरा मटकी सांभाळा आला रे आला गोविंदा आला गवळ्याच्या बोरीनं जरा मटकी सांभाळा
गोविंदारे गोपाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा
आला रे आला गोविंदा आला गवळ्याच्या बोरीनं जरा मटकी सांभाळा आला रे आला गोविंदा आला गवळ्याच्या बोरीनं जरा मटकी सांभाळा टेन्शन नाही लेता ये बंदा किती पण उंचावर बांधा टेन्शन नाही लेता ये बंदा किती पण उंचावर बांधा हे नाद करायचा नाही औंधा आला 10 थरांचा गोविंदा
गोविंदारे गोपाळा यशोदेच्या तान्या बाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा
तुझ्या घरात नाही पाणी घागर उताणी रे गोपाळा
घरात नाही पाणी घागर उताणी रे गोपाळा.
हे हलकी बोलते भित्तर तारा तालावरी डोलती गोविंद गोपाळा दुधाचा काला हंडीवर आमचा डोळा रहा दुधाचा काला हे नाद करायचा नाही यंदा आला 10 थरांचा गोविंदा
गोविंदारे गोपाळा यशोदेच्या तान्या बाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा गोविंदारे गोपाळा.
With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.